this video we're going to make a speaker bezel for this mid speaker in this three-way Panasonic speaker from back in the day. I'm a secondary school teacher in New Zealand. We've been in lockdown as like the rest of the world, and we've been doing online learning, but secondary schools, well actually all schools in New Zealand start again this coming Monday, so I'm just going to do a bit of preparation here. Okay, so what we got, there's the speaker there. It has a bit of a lip or indentation there, and those are the sizes that we're going to make the speaker bezel. Also location of the holes. Right, I'm going to get rid of this thing here now and go and show you because it's in the way a bit. Right, minimize this. Right, I'm going to show you 3 or 4 different ways. First one is going to be real basic. Create a sketch on the horizontal plane. Got to do 2 circles first, one 51mm, 51 enter, and the next one 89. And that should refer us back to, we'll go back, just double check, 5189. Finish sketch, could finish it here, click on that one and there, or it could be done down the bottom there. The first thing I'm going to do is extrude those. So I'm going to click on right mouse click, press pull, select this middle, not selecting the middle, I'm selecting the outer ring. I'm going to lift it up, I'm going to do it about 6mm. Enter. Now I'm going to turn this around because in our speaker, where it lips in, I have to create a bit of a lip for it. In this part here, and then back lipping down over the edge. So we're going to create another sketch, but I'm just going to flip this around first. Create another sketch. We're going to do it on that face there. And I'm going to do some more circles. So center point. We're going to have a 2mm lip there. So instead of 51, I'm going to have to go 55. And then I'm going to do another one. This one needs a 5mm lip, so we're going to make that 79. Finish sketch. And hold down the shift key and press down the mouse so I can rotate. I'm going to do a press pull and bring these out a bit. 2 mils on this one and 1 mil on that. So press pull. To enter. Got to see the sketch again because the sketch is hidden. So click on press pull. Select. 1 enter. Shift key down so I can orbit around there. And you can see I've got those 2 lips, and those lips, well, the inside one's a bit deeper so I can fit into that lip there, or lip over, and this one, the outside rim. So go home. Now we need to put in some holes. Then we're going to put in a bevel and a ball nose. So next I'm going to do the holes based on here, 47mm back. So sketch, do it on the top surface. I'm a bit of a newbie here, so there's probably heaps of better ways of doing this, but first I'm just going to set out some construction. Click on construction, line. I want to get on to the degrees, so I'm going to click on tab to get to degrees, and I want 135. I don't know why it went that way instead of going 45 back that way, but anyway, that's a computer program. And I'm going to go out here, hopefully it's going to snap at 45, and it has. I want that one to snap at 90, and it has. Snap at 45, and it has. Finish. So these holes 47 millimeters. I'm going to put a line here to the center point along there at 23.5, which is half that. So let's do it. Right. I want that to be vertical, 23.5. Another one, 23.5. Well, we want it to intersect with there. There it is, 23.5, horizontal. Click. And now we're just going to cancel that job. We're going to go out of construction, and we're going to draw the circles. 4 millimeter diameter circles. So that'll snap into there. 4, enter. Center point circle, I can get it there, but also I right mouse click and go repeat center point circle. Now that's how we want it to be in line with that, so I'm going to draw that down. You can see that blue line snapped on. 4, enter, and again 4, enter, last one. Oops, mistake. Undo. Circle. Draw across. Snap. 4, enter. Finish sketch. Right, going to extrude them. Right mouse click. Press pull. Select. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go down. We're going to go down minus, more than -6, so -8 is fine. Okay, and now we've got holes. Last jobs is we're going to bull nose, and we're going to chamfer. So I'll put a chamfer on here. Chamfer, we'll do the bull nose first. We'll fill it. I'll give that 6. And we're going to do a fillet. Sorry, chamfer at 45 degrees. We'll make that 7. Oh no, make that 7, yeah. Now I'll make it less than that. So we can edit that feature. So we don't really want to go into those holes. Right mouse click. Edit feature, and we'll make it like 5. Fantastic. So that's the first version of the speaker done. But it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so we'll say that's the end of video 1, and then the next video we'll try some different techniques where we use a loft and sweep, and we're going to base it around a profile. Thanks for watching.